Okay, so we're gonna make some hand warmers we're doing it out of pockets that were on a sweater that I didn't like, but you can cut up a sweater and do the same thing. So we're basically going to be making this out of this. So what I would do is get a piece of paper, 8.5 by 11, and just measure over about 2 inches and fold it in half. And then measure down about 1.5 inches, and then just draw a Sharpie line right there, which I already did. And then we're going to cut this little piece out.
And what is this for?
I already did. This is a pattern so that we can make these the same. Okay, so what we're going to use this for is we're going to, basically if you had a sweater, you would just lay this on the sweater, and I would cut around here, and then I would place, or I guess just leave it on there, and then draw a line right here.
For the thumb hole.
For the thumb hole, yeah. So now we have our little pattern. And what we're going to do first is, what we're going to sew first is right around this, because it's knit, so it will come apart if we don't sew around it. So just make, okay. Okay, so now that we have that sewn, we'll take it out of here. And then just fold this in half, like this, and do a little tiny cut on the inside. So you can just stick your scissors in there, and then just cut right along your Sharpie line. And then you have your thumb hole, basically. Alright, so then what we want to do, and on this one we did the same thing, but we just did, like if this was the one, like the right side of the pattern, the right hand, the back side of this would be the left hand. So you just have to flip it over and do the same thing so it's mirrored. And then we're just gonna sew this. So we just make sure that we have our right side, and that's gonna be on the inside, so that when we flip it the other way, it's gonna be the right side's out. And sewing sweater stuff is kind of annoying, so get your game face on. Okay. So we've done that, and we'll just flip it inside out. And so we've got a right hand and a left hand.
Beautiful.